My name is Kurt Coble. Welcome to kurtcoble.com and to the Class of 7's homepage. Musicians change the atmosphere everywhere they go. And why is that? Why is it that when concert stadiums are filled with 50,000 people, the place is going nuts? People crying, dancing, shouting, having a great time. Why is it that it's played at the Super Bowl? Why is it that it's played at the supermarkets? Why is it that it's played at church every week to worship God? It's everywhere. It doesn't matter where you go. And there's people out there who have created this music, right? And the reason it moves you when they create it is because they know what they're doing. They've learned over time how to take music and the way it works. They're not inventing anything. They're just trying to figure out how it best works so that they can write a great song, so that they can play a great solo, so they can come up with a great riff, so that they can move people emotionally and give them something that they really crave, which is the beauty of music and the way that it moves them. So if you're somebody who would like to move people in any capacity, this course is for you, because you're going to learn 9 total scales. We're doing 7, because it's called the Class of 7's, and I'm giving you 2 bonus ones. Those 7 plus the 2 bonus ones create different emotions and different styles. Latin, jazz, blues, African, rock, pop. They're all using these scales to create different emotions. So if you want to know how to do that and not just play covers, but actually create music through either soloing or writing songs or arranging songs, coming up with parts, building different kinds of chords, singing harmonies correctly, learning complex harmonies and simple harmonies. If you want to learn all of those things, this is the class for you. I don't think you'll have to take another class other than this one, because it's going to give you everything you need to know to play in different styles, to create different emotions. I teach it from the perspective that God is the creator of this music. He has made it work in such a way that anybody can learn it, and it only works the way He created it to work. All you got to do is figure out how He made it to work. There's no secret notes or secret information out there. It actually just plays itself once you know how to do it. I literally mean it plays itself. You got to use your fingers and develop that part. But once you know the mental part and how it works, soloing is not intimidating. Writing a melody is not intimidating. Playing chords is not intimidating. Arranging a song is not intimidating, because it can be done. And if you want to bless the world with your musical gift, wherever you want to use it, this class will get you there. And right now, be done. And if you want to bless the world with your musical gift, wherever you want to use it, this class will get you there. It's priced at a great price. I've been to music school, so I know. You see, when people are playing music, 2 things are happening. They're playing it the way God wanted it to be played. That's why it sounds good. Number 2, their DNA, which is unique, takes that music and turns it into something that's unique to them, because we're all playing the same notes. Go to kurtcoble.com if you're not there now. If you're there right now, check out the guitar solos that I've crafted, about how they're doing all kinds of interesting things. You can learn how to do those interesting things. Check out the songs for the Hide Bible app project that I'm working on. Check out the other songs for Love in America and other things that are out there, songs that I've produced. That'll tell you what I know and what I can pass on to you. I've always wanted to know why music sounds the way it does and why different styles sound the way they do. It wasn't enough for me to play people's covers, because I was just mimicking notes, but I didn't know why it worked. And if you're like me and you want to know why it works so you can create it, you can create atmospheres in your worship team on a stage like this, right? Maybe in your city, playing somewhere, whatever your goals are, you can get 7 scales that create different emotions that you can write songs with. 2 bonus ones, pentatonic and the blues scale. With those 9 scales, you will be able to write and play and understand what's going on in 90% of the music out there. So I invite you to come, take this journey. You will love this class. This will be a class for you as a musician that will change your life. I guarantee it. Again, I'm Kurt Coble. Go ahead and sign up for the class if this is something that you want to do. You want to change your life as a musician. Take a shortcut. Stop trying to guess what to play and how it works, but actually learn how it works so that you can go much faster towards reaching your goals of giving people the music that's inside of you. God bless you. I look forward to seeing you in the class. Email me if you have any questions. My email is on our page as well, kurtcoble.com. And if you want to have a conversation on the phone, I'd be happy to have that. You just let me know in the email. God bless everyone.